I'm in the junkyard picking up some parts. I saw this in the lot. It's a 10th gen F150 extended cab. And you can see here that the gas tank is exposed, which shows where the fuel pump goes. The types of connectors that need to be removed to get the fuel pump out. Here's another clamp connection. Electrical connectors, you can see what type of electrical connector that is. Hose clamps that need to be removed. It makes it much easier to visualize what's got to be done, whether you drop the tank or take the bed off.